Hello, and welcome to KineMaster Quick Tips. Today, we're going to be looking at color adjustment, which allows you to change the brightness, saturation, and contrast of a video clip or an image. First, tap any image or video clip in the timeline. In the option panel that appears, choose Color Adjustment. From there, you'll be presented with three sliders, one for brightness, saturation, and contrast. The brightness slider adjusts the overall brightness of the image. Up is brighter, and down is darker. Oh great, now I'm blind. Moving the contrast slider above 0 makes the light areas of the image lighter and the dark areas darker. Ooh, dramatic. Moving the slider below 0 makes lights and darks look more the same, making everything grayish. Finally, the saturation slider adjusts the intensity of the color on the screen without affecting luminance. Values greater than 0 cause colors to become more intense, and values less than 0 move towards grayscale. Now, let's mess with this a bit and see if we can find a good balance. Yeah, that looks good. Thank you for watching KineMaster Quick Tips. If you have any questions, drop a line in the comments below. And remember, this video was made with KineMaster.